Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time. I did a kind of long form video. But today this is gonna comprise of a kind of landscape and a portrait mode video. So this is all about the little unboxing and how some of my daily activities went. So first of all, um, let me just say this week, should I say yesterday being um, the Wednesday of September 2024, I visited main market to have one of my customers desktop computer repaired. So on the process, I decided to get myself a little selfie stick, so I will be able to make my outdoor filming more convenient for me because the gimbal I have before was broken the day I went to Lagos State for YouTube Made for You program in April. So one of my friend there broke the gimbal, so I have to collect his own selfie stick. But unfortunately, when I was trying to insert my phone on that selfie stick, that one also broke. So I have been making use of my big phone tripod to make some of the outdoor filming, which I don't really like because it's too big. So I would like to show you guys the my previous gimbal and that of the one I got from that my guy. So this is my gimbal. This is the gimbal, and you can see that it has broken. The thing fell from a very tall table and it broke. So I have been trying my best to fix it, but it didn't work. So I have to abandon it. So and this is the one I got from the guy. So as you can see, it has I have put a spark glue over here because I was trying to use it that day and the thing broke. So I applied spark glue, but I don't really trust it because anytime I insert my phone on it, I cannot film anything downward like this. The thing will just slack and break again. So this is it. So since that time I've been filming with my big tripod stand. So but that yesterday I decided to got myself this particular tripod selfie stick. So it's one of the cheapest in the market. This is one I can afford at the moment. So they have the one of 35,000 there, and the rest. But this one just cost me just 10,000. Though the woman said it's selling it for 12,000, but after much bargaining, it sold it for me 10,000 naira. So let me unbox it and show you what it looks like. Though I've unboxed it in the market, but let me also show you. So this is the kind of the screws. This is the screws, and this is how the thing looks like. It's little bit strong, I don't know, but not that much strong though. So just little strong. So as you can see, this is it. This is how it looks. So you can attach your phones here. You can see you can attach your phones here. Then tighten it here. You can see, tighten it from here so that it will not shake. Then you can rotate this to take your portrait mode, or remain it like this to take your landscape videoing. Then you can take it up this way. This is the maximum length. You can see it's a little bit tall, but it's not that much strong. If I attach my phone here and leave it this way, or definitely this thing is gonna break. So this is the length of it. This is the length of it. So sorry. So it also have a kind of a tripod stand. If I want to make it stand on the ground, I think I have to go and learn how to do this. So think I have to go and learn how to do this. Okay, yeah. I've seen it. So this is how you actually stand it on the ground. So you can stand it and use it to do your normal vlogging. So this is what I got for myself. So and this is their complimentary card. The name of this thing is Chi Best. Chi Best International. You can locate them at 24 Vein Road in Onitsha. 24 Vein Road in Onitsha. Or you can call their numbers. Their number is on this complimentary card. You can check and see, or you can drop a comment for me to have the number drop for you if you stay around Onitsha or anywhere else, and that is it. So I don't know what this one is works for. I don't know what they use this one for, but I will definitely be checking, after the video. So thank you guys for watching, and you can see on my screen the woman stores, how it looks like, and the rest of them. They also sell cameras, different type of tripod stand, drones, and other things. And this vein road, this particular street is where you can find so many microphone accessories, tripod accessories, and the rest of them. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly click on the thumb up button to like the video, and click on the notification bell to get notified each time we publish videos like this. And don't forget to share for others to see. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.